It's pretty.
You double parked. Granny.
Shantae.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're just gonna jump right in and I'm just showing you guys all the steps I did to take Granny from this look right here to that blonde pixie you guys seen at the beginning of the video.
So when I put you on the internet, looking like
I don't know how you want me to look. I'm looking like myself. Smiling though I ain't frowning up. Looking pretty.
So Granny always wants her hair cut shorter, and no, I'm not a barber, but I am a licensed cosmetologist. So I know a little something something with the clippers, but not too much, y'all, because like I said, I'm not a barber, I'm a cosmetologist. So all I pretty much do is shape her hair. I cut it down with the clippers. I think I start with like a 3 and then I go down to a 2. And then I go in with the scissors and I just even out. I always do her back a little shorter because I don't really know how to fade, but you know, when you're slicking the hair down in the back, it does have to have that graduated cut. It has to be the shortest at the nape. So as you guys can faintly see, I'm just following that guide. As I comb the hair up, you'll see which hair is longer than the rest, and I just cut that based on the length that we already established. So here I'm just cutting the hair that's around her ear, just ensuring that when we do the finger waves, no hair overlaps over her ear. Once I cut the length with the scissors, I'm going to go ahead and grab the trimmers, and that is going to put that more detailed line in the back. And y'all, this is not a tutorial. This is just me showing y'all each step I took to achieve that platinum blonde pixie. So before we start the color process, I'm just going to go ahead and base her perimeter, her neck, ears, forehead, and then I'm going to go in a few spaces into her scalp with this Softee castor oil grease. So the same lightener I used on myself, I'm going to go in with this Joico Blonde Life Lightener in their 20 volume developer. As you guys see, this lightener is a blue tint, and that just is supposed to help cancel out those unwanted orange tones. However, when I went into Sally's one time, there was a lady that worked there, and she told me that most African Americans have those red and orange undertones already in our hair. So when we lighten it, we always pull those tones. I don't know how true that is. However, if you've heard that or if you're familiar with that, let me know in the comments what y'all think about that. Once I feel like it's saturated enough, I'm going to go ahead and do the perimeter last. I just don't want her to have hot roots.
she trying to copy off me. You heard me, Granny? Tell them you trying to jock me.
Girl, jack you. You jacking me. I'm 62 years old.
Girl, you ain't never
To be like your grandma, girl.
She trying to jock my hairstyle.
So after about 20 minutes, this is what she pulled. Maybe that lady at Sally's was right. I don't know. Somebody told me that I could have just processed her one time just for a longer duration. However, my granny is kind of antsy and she wouldn't have liked having bleach on her hair for an hour. Y'all just look at the faces she making. So I'm going in with the Blonde Life shampoo. It has a violet base. And I'm just going to shampoo her hair 2 times because that's all she needed. Once I shampoo it, I'm going to go in with that silver toner that is a part of the Joico brand as well, because it still was just giving like yellow. It was giving M&M to me. I don't know. So I was always taught to apply the toner at the shampoo bowl because it does start to process fast. As you guys can see, those yellow tones are almost gone. This is the Blonde Life conditioner and it has a violet base as well. You guys know I couldn't leave out my famous mint manipulation conditioner. I added that in to give her hair and scalp some extra moisture. I restocked the shampoo and conditioner. The link is in the description. Going in with this It's a 10 scalp care leave-in treatment, and I'm using the Softee Soft Waves gel. Y'all, I got this gel from Dollar Tree, and I use this on her because it's a very, very soft gel, and Granny swears that the mousse makes her hair hard, so I went in with this gel because it's a very light hold. If you guys have been following me, then y'all already know all Granny gets is finger waves now. She doesn't like the curls with the flat iron anymore. She only likes soft waves. So this is the part where I show you guys me waving up the back portion of her hair and a little bit of the side. Just showing you guys how I do her waves. I do them a little bit bigger because Granny has finer hair. So that just helps with coverage and making them look a little more defined when they're bigger. If you guys have made it this far in the video, hit that like button for me. Leave me a comment letting me know your favorite part of this video, or if you have any questions that you want to ask me. And please hit that subscribe button if you like content like this. But thank you guys so much for watching. This is how her style turned out. Drop some ice cubes in the comments if y'all think I iced out her waves. Cause Granny really been cutting up with this blonde. Y'all, she told me she about to live her best life.